Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have something for you which looks very familiar, but at the same time very different. This is the LEVC VN5, or to give it its full name, the London Electric Vehicle Company Van 5. If you hadn't already worked out, it's the world famous London black cab, but in white, and also it's been panelled out. If you didn't already know, the London black cab is famous for having a stupidly tight turning circle. Now this is due to not having a traditional prop shaft, and also the energy's put into the rear wheels. Because of this feature, it makes parallel parking an absolute dream to get in and out of, which is absolutely perfect if you're working within a city. You have to constantly keep stopping, keep unloading goods, and then keep getting back onto the roads, and vice versa. Another thing there is to mention about this vehicle is the interior in here. Now it is the same interior that you would find in a Polestar or a Volvo. Now that is because they are all owned by the same Chinese company, Geely, under their umbrella as well. So there we have it, the LEVC VN5, the perfect van for the city, and it's for sale here at anchorvans.co.uk.